Yo guys, so today is the 1st of October 2025. Thank God for life. So basically we'll be analyzing the market, yeah? We'll be analyzing the market and let's see what the market have in store for us. Yeah? Let's see what the market have in store for us. So let me announce to the community that we up. And for those of you that are here, you can okay. For those of you that are here, you can already start commenting. Let's go, let's go. So I'm about to set up, I'm trying to set up everything. Let me just announce to the community that we're live and that's it. Once I tell them we're live, that's it. And by the way, personally, I think that I think that the market is gonna crash. Yeah, I can see your comments. Yeah, good morning, good morning, good morning. Where are you watching from? Is it YouTube, Instagram, or where are you watching from? Good morning, Quadri. Good morning, Ibrahim. Good morning. Oh, your state. Okay, cool, 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 cool. Nice to have you here. I'm trying to send out this link. I want to tell the community we're live. Alright. We are live now. We are live now. Join from any of my socials, including YouTube, Twitter, and any other. Please, how clear is my voice there? Is it very clear? Can you hear me clearly? I need to be sure of that. Somebody say your hard work rate needs to be studied. Yeah, so I work too hard, man. I need to leave the trenches as fast as I can. So yeah, um, I just announced to the community that we're live. So let's fucking go ASAP. Oh yeah. Um. So I believe you guys can see my chat, right? I believe you can see my. I believe you can see my USDT.D chart clearly. So um. Okay, somebody said I should go to settings for higher quality. Okay, thank you. Let me do that. Let me do that. Guys, this is my first live stream that I'm streaming personally using this StreamYard. So pardon some of my excesses. Okay, Ibrahim, you said it's not for me. It's for those that can't see it clearly. Okay. Okay, okay. You're talking about those that cannot see it clearly. Okay, they should set up there. Okay, cool. I thought it was for me. But from on my own end, it's clear, right? Everything is clear, right? On my own end. Okay. So for the month of for this month, the month of October, I know that a lot of people they want to know what the market is going to do for this month. And are we pumping? Are we dumping? And I think everybody wants to know that, right? And if you want to know that, drop a comment here. If you want to know that, just let me know in the comment section. I believe you want to know what the market um, wants to do. Am I right? You want to know if we're going to be pumping, if we're going to be dumping, right? Am I correct? So, anyways, in no time, I'll be explaining what this market got for us. And like I said, um, personally, personally, I think the market is gonna dump, is gonna crash real bad. Okay, I think the market is gonna crash real bad. But so let's dive in. Let's dive in. So I did this analysis on USDT.D. Please, for those of you that cannot see um, my screen well, I think you need to just go to your settings, put it on higher quality, and yeah, that's how to enjoy this properly. So some of you are already conversant with. Let me get this to a daily time frame. Some of you are already conversant with this my chart. You already know this chart already. Some of you, for those of you that always join my live stream, you already know this chart. And or rather, yeah, on YouTube, I post a lot of this my chart on YouTube, so you already know about it. Sorry, it's too busy. Let me know if I can just take out some stuff. Okay, yeah. So in my last stream with Crypto DeFi Log, for those of you that joined the live stream that day when the market crashed, we were somewhere around here, right? The market. USDT.D was somewhere around here that my pointer is at. Where my pointer is at, that is where USDT.D was around then, And I'm like, we're going to have a breakout. Like, we're going to have a breakout above this red. You can clearly see this red rectangular um, box, right? I was like, we're going to break above that red rectangular box. You get me? And when I said that, when I said that, a lot of people were like, "No, Bitcoin is still gonna pump. Bitcoin is still gonna pump. Bitcoin." And I was like, "Oh my god, there's no way on earth Bitcoin is still gonna pump that way." You understand? There's no way Bitcoin was gonna pump again because we're about to break that, which just happened. We've broken above. You can clearly see that we've broken above that resistance. So I made a mistake the other day when I was streaming with DeFi Lord. I hadn't known about this app yet, right? So then I didn't know about this StreamYard app that I could connect and we could like it could show on my own page also, right? So you can check DeFi Lord, Crypto DeFi Lord on Twitter, right? You can check Crypto DeFi Lord on Twitter and check his page. You see I talked about all this and basically everything that I spoke about happened, right? Basically, everything I spoke about happened. Right? For those of you that are there that day, you can drop a comment, okay? So that people will know that, yeah, it is what it is. So basically, everything I mentioned or I spoke about that day happened, right? The market dumped. The market dumped. Now, what is our next expectation from the market? What are we expecting the market to do in the next coming days? Right? What are we expecting the market to do in the next coming days? And for real, I'm not going to lie. I think that the market, I think that the market is still gonna crash. I'm not gonna lie. Yep, it's still gonna crash. You get me? So, um, uh, I think the market is still gonna crash. Okay, like it's gonna dump real bad. And I mentioned, Quadri Olalekan from YouTube. He said almost everything is damn true. Yeah, it's true. Like no gimmick here, right? So everything we do here is real life, no gimmick. If we're losing, we're announcing. If we're winning, we're announcing. And the truth of the matter is that most times we are fucking winning. Most of the times we are fucking winning. You know. So you see, the reason why I didn't want to delete this my USDT.D chart, I'm going to show you why I don't want to delete my USDT.D chart. And the reason I don't want to do that is because I made an analysis on the monthly time frame showing the bear market. So this is it. USDT.D is going to pump to this point. And I'm not going to lie. You see the last resistance there. That's the toppest. That is the top one. It's the toppest. The top resistance there. You see that top resistance. That is where USDT.D is going to go to. And that top resistance is going to go to. Hope you can see it clearly, guys. If you can see it clearly, please. I need to know. And for those of you that cannot see it clearly, honestly, I think you should set your go to your settings. When you go to your settings, you check your settings, right? So when you check your settings, you will see how to stream in high quality. Okay, so yeah, so you see now USDT.D is going to get to that point. You see that peak point. So that is your bear market. Okay, now check Bitcoin. You can just check Bitcoin chart. When you check Bitcoin chart, imagine Bitcoin doing a leg down like this. So that leg down is going to be crazy, right? So I keep saying this, I keep showing this live, showing it with my face live, so that in case I fail, you guys can be like, yes, look at the guy, he failed. In case I win, you guys can be like, yeah, look at the guy, you know. So if you're just joining this live stream for the first time, actually this is my first time, and I intend to start to do it. In fact, I intend to be known as a streamer also, right? Um, yesterday, yesterday I turned 30 years old. Happy birthday to me. So part of my decisions, part of my decisions for my 30 is that I'm going to do a lot of streaming, okay? And I'll travel around the world also, a lot of like travel more, And yeah, I'm going to show you guys everything on live stream, okay? So it is what it is. So this is like day two into my 30 years old, and yep, it's amazing. It feels good, I thank God for life, and yeah, here we are. We are streaming already, okay? So yeah, so obviously you can see my screen and you can see what I showed you on USDT.D. I keep showing this anytime I'm streaming, anytime I'm live. I keep showing this. Okay, I keep showing you guys that look at what is obtainable. Look at what is going to happen in the market. So, anyways, let me don't overemphasize on this, but this is what the brother looks like. There's a lot of there's a lot of tendencies that the bear market has started, or the bear market is creeping in, but a lot of people don't know, right? So we have bottom one, bottom two, bottom three, triple bottom. You can go check the research, do a research on it. Triple bottom indicates a buy. The same way we have top one here, top two here, top three. Some people can call it head and shoulder. Some people can call this part bottom one, bottom two, bottom three. Some people can call it inverted head and shoulder. But basically, as you can see, top one, top two, top three here. You can see my pointer, obviously. So in fact, let me circle it out. Let me mark it out with a circle. Let me be sure that everybody's following. So you see this zone here. If you notice, it is creating the same way it did triple top or head and shoulder. The same way it's doing an inverted head and shoulder or a um, triple bottom at this other part. Okay, so that same way. So basically, what it means is that, bro, it simply means that the market is going to USDT.D is going to pump. It simply means that a lot of people are more interested in buying. A lot of people are more interested in buying USDT. So when people are interested in buying USDT, it simply means that they want to sell their um, their BTC, they want to sell their other coins, and then buy USDT. So when they are selling the other coins to buy USDT, what does it mean? The market is going to plummet. Brrr. So yes, it's gonna done badly. Okay. So okay, let's try something in the comment section. Let me know. Are you still holding coins till now? Let me know before we continue. Are we still holding coins till now? Are you holding any coin? If you're holding any coin, let me know. Let me know in the comments. Okay, so okay, somebody said short BTC. Okay, yeah, I'm shorting BTC. Good. Same here, I'm shorting BTC. I'm shorting BTC like crazy. Trust me, I'm shorting BTC crazily. You know, like bro, I'm praying I don't get wrecked shorting Bitcoin because, bro, I got a lot of short on BTC. Like you have to short that into zero. So, oh yeah, Hussein, Hussein, are you the Hussein from Pakistan or something? Hussein said I closed off trade. Okay, cool. I'm happy. Okay, so Jome said bio LTC Uma ETH Dodge. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie. I think those coins have they have done their best. I'm not gonna lie to you, Jomes. So if you are still holding those coins, honestly, it can go crazy for you. You know, it can go really crazy for you. You can see USDT.D already. Like when the reason I love technicals. I love technicals because it's going to show you what the elite are trying to do. Oh, Hussein said no be okay, 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 no be okay, no problem. I know one Hussein from bro. You know what? I think I need to sell. I am on. I bought a coin named Pump at 0 point something. Pump did a 3x pump, and I did not benefit from it because I took profit in time. And I was like, now I bought it again, and it has pumped again. I think I'm going to sell it right now because so pump is on 22%. Pump is pumping crazy. Like look at the chart, it's pumping like mad. And I bought it with like I think $35 here. So I think I have to just let me run away from it so that I don't get caught up in all this whole saga. Anyway, so I don't really hold much coins. I don't really hold coins personally. You know, I don't really know much. I don't really hold much coins, right? So in fact, this only pump that is the only coin I'm holding on spot, apart from Apex, which I sold. You know, apart from Apex, which I sold Apex at 2 points. I think 2.65 or 2.7. And check Apex now. Apex has done a minus 48% dump. Just Apex, right? So imagine put those people that bought at the top or something. Because their own is finished. Like the beers are starting to kick in. So, anyways, long story short, let's move over to please, guys, for those of you that are active on whatever platform you're on, please share this video, okay? Just share it, tap it, share this live stream to people's DM and all that. Bro, we're doing a lot of magic here, right? So I don't know. We don't know they share them as the one that they share church people link. So the same way their church people are doing their own liberation, right? We're also doing some liberation here. So we deserve some share. So just share it to people's DM anywhere, everywhere, status, so that we can, yeah, so that we can also evangelize to people out there, and you all are not wishing me happy birthday. I don't know. I'll be bad people, I'll be bad people. Yes, MK Junior. Thank you. I saw your retweet on Twitter. Thank you. And I know wish me happy birthday. All right. So this is it for USDT.D. So on the monthly time frame, I'm expecting a lot of pump, and there's something that happened here. I don't know. I think you can see this clearly. So if you see this candle, the candle next to our current candle, that is this candle next to our October candle, you can see that. My pointer is on this. Yeah, this one. you can see that that candle next to the current candle is a full-blown hammer, not inverted hammer, a hammer. So what that hammer indicates, I tell you, verily, verily, I say unto you, October, they call it October. They call October in crypto. But verily, verily, I say unto you, this particular October is going to be Downtober for BTC and other coins. Verily, verily, I say unto you, expect Downtober for, for expect Downtober for your coins. Allah online, right? Because you can see that hammer very close. Also, I don't want to even engage in live stream because I think I might be giving out some elite information. Because you can simply do this research, right? Check, check, um, check what a hammer is. What does a hammer candle indicate? Check it. You do a research. It's simple. Anything I'm saying, just do it a research on it. Anyways, let's move over to um, BTC. I love BTC. Yeah, BTC USDT.P. Let's use MXC. Mm, yeah, so um, this is BTC USDT. So we're going to check a lot of things that is going to make this particular coin dump. Okay, so we are going to do, and we're going to be checking a lot of things that make BTC dump. So yeah, so I need you all to, you know, I need you all to comment in the comment section. I want to be sure you're active. Okay, I want to be sure you're active. I need to be sure you're active. Then keep sharing this live stream, okay? You know me, you know how to do my things. For those of you that do my videos and all that, I'm just like this. So, it's nothing too serious with doing here. I'm just trying to pass some information, you know? Yeah, so one day post 30th birthday, I'm live streaming already this morning, you know? Always active, reactive. Okay, I like this. I like the comment section. Yeah. Hope you are sharing. Share, 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 share. The same way they do all those church distance. Share, 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 share. And guys, I'm on Twitch. Oh, I signed up on Twitch. I don't even know how that app works. All I know is that I connected it here and I'm streaming. I don't know how that app works. So I'm on Twitch. I think I'm streaming on Facebook, YouTube, Twitch, X. I don't know if TikTok will be allowed to join. To for me, I don't know if they'll allow me to add TikTok to this. I don't know. Maybe, you know. So, anyways, let I'll add that one. So I'm trying to show you this is a 1 month time frame on Bitcoin. I'm trying to show you the reason why your Bitcoin is going to dump, right? And when it dumps, it will be a sad one because it might do a flash dump, first of all, so that people will get thrown out of the market. And to be sad, though, people will cry because I'm going to share another thing. I'll show you Bitcoin dominance is increasing. So if anything happens to Bitcoin, other coins will feel it way more. You get me? So the first thing you need to watch out for is this. Check the two candles close to the current candle, right? On the monthly time frame. We have a clean hammer. Can you see this hammer? It's a big hammer. A hammer indicates a massive sell. We have another hammer here, right? But this hammer didn't close as red as this other one, right? So we have hammer one, which is what. If I let me write it out. So I'm going to write on top H1. So for the context of for context, H1 means hammer one. Then we have H2 here. So I think this labeling should make more sense. Let me expand it and yeah, let me expand it. So H1, H2. Can you see it clearly? H1, H2. So H1 is simply hammer one. So you can check, maybe take a note, write down what does a hammer mean, you know, and the significance of a hammer in trading, right? So you write hammer one. Then the other one is H2, hammer two. Okay, so H1, H2. So H1 indicates a massive sell. That was so we're in October, September, so August, September, October. So H1 is the hammer for um August. H2 is the hammer for September. So H1 closed very bearish, right? H2 closed bearish, but not as bearish as H1, because if it had gone below H1, we would then say it closed more bearish than H1, but it did not. But it's still a hammer, which indicates a sell. That a big sell is loading. They are just holding it, gradually holding it. But a big sell is loading. And we can see those two indications from the past of the two previous candlesticks on a monthly time frame. Okay, so for October, I expect a lot of bearish movement. Okay, a lot of bearish movement using this. Now let us buttress this chart more. Okay, let's buttress it more. We have what we call a triple top. I'm going to show you that triple top. Top one, top two, top three. But some people call it bearish divergence. So this is called a bearish divergence. Is it bearish or bullish? No, bullish divergence. So a bullish divergence is that let me be sure before I talk rubbish. Let me ask ChatGPT what if it's bullish with divergence like this or not. Bullish divergence. I'm just trying. I'm confused of whether it's whether I'll call it a bearish or bullish one. Okay, this is a bearish divergence, right? This particular stuff is a bearish divergence. So it's looking like, oh, we're pumping, but the market is actually bearish currently, okay? Because of what we've had our top one, top two, top three, okay? Top one, top two, top three. So from there, you can see the hammer for already showing a good rejection that these buys are not going to continue. And what next? What are we going to do next? We should be expecting, because of where the bearish divergence started from, we should be expecting a retest to that zone. So we should be expecting from this place, this hammer place, should be expecting this equals to what some people call bear market. But what to me, yes, it can be a bear market, but Bitcoin is always bullish because it's going to be crazy for other altcoins. That's a support. It's going to be crazy for other altcoins, but then um, basically this is just a healthy correction. Okay, it's just a healthy correction. Please, if you are following and you're active, comment, drop that comment. Fire, fire, fire. I love seeing fire. In comment section. Let me post one. I need this thing to be fun. Fire, 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 fire. Fire, 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 fire. Yeah, I'm seeing fire. Okay, the one that posted it too. I'm seeing fire. Fire, fire, fire. This Adam Michael, you are so active. I love it. You are very active. Fire everywhere. So Quadri and Ada, they are very active. Yeah. This the wealth signals. I see you, my brother. Fire is everywhere right now. Meanwhile, I think I need to let me know how they pin the comments here because there's something I want to pin here also. Um, Jomez, man, it's good to have you here today. I see you. Yeah, I like comment. Please be comment. I need to know my regular people that attends to streams and all that. Because if you ask me a question as a regular person, that comes to the stream and all that, or is active, I will always reply you. But if it's people that I know that I say join, you don't join, let them want to ask me a question, I might not go really send you. So yeah, I'm gonna add that, don't bomb down my page. Jesus Christ. This Adam Michael. Fire is everywhere. So yeah, so now that zone you can see there is within 55,000 to 73,000 support. That is the zone of BTC. And because of Bitcoin dominance is rising, right? As of the last time I checked, but we are going to check it together live here right now. But as of the last time I checked, that was I think 2 weeks ago. I think it was rising, right? So, bro, because of Bitcoin dominance is rising, I really think that when Bitcoin starts to dump, a lot of altcoins will see shaking. I mean, see what happened yesterday. Bitcoin just made a little move, and you see what happened to ETH. ETH ASAP started dumping like crazy. You know, ETH started dumping like crazy, and I'm like, whoa, the fuck. So imagine, and we are shorting ETH. You guys know, and ETH on the smaller time frame is already forming a head and shoulder. Don't worry, we're going to crash that into zero. You get so, guys. um, you know, we're gonna crash most of these stuff too. I don't know what I'm doing. Make I not go do rubbish. Okay, I'm trying to post something here. Yes, we're gonna crash the market for real. I'm not gonna lie. We're crashing the market. We're crashing the market. No cap, bro. So please, make sure that you take profits. Okay, make sure you take profits on everywhere. Please, pity yourself. Take profits. It's going to there's nothing bad if you take profits. There's nothing bad if you take profits. Okay. So that is what you should be expecting for BTC. So mind you, I'm giving you BTC on a broader time frame, right? Um, I'm showing you BTC what it's going to do on a monthly time frame, but we need for us to know exactly what BTC will do this month of October. We have to break down this analysis. We have to break down this analysis down to a weekly time frame so that we know we can at least we have weekly candles. So then okay, look at what um, so let's take down BTC to the monthly time frame. Meanwhile, guys, make sure you can see um there's something we need to take advantage of. Like, I don't know why I'm doing, I don't know why this came late. Jesus Christ. We need to take advantage of Bitnex, right? So Bitnex is giving a lot of free USDT, right? So sign up on Bitnex. You can see my partnership link with them. Sign up. They're giving a lot of freebies out because of our partnership, and some of them you can withdraw this USDT. Some of them use them as a trading bonus. So sign up with them. It's a non KYC exchange. Sign up with Bitnex. You can see my partnership link. I think it's to this video. Sign up and take advantage of it. So yeah, you can sign up. ASAP. I also posted it in the comment section. Let me post it again in the comment section. So you can copy it, sign up, you can test it to the $100. Nice exchange. Personally, I'm shorting BTC on that exchange currently. Though I'm in small losses now. But then once I'm in profit, I will share my this thing. But if I later hit stop loss, I will still share it. Sha. So anyways, so sign up on Bitnex, take advantage of the freebies they're giving, non KYC exchange, take advantage of it. All right, so um, let us break down this BTC on the weekly time frame. I've already showed you that. Okay, look what we're expecting, right? So let's break it down on the weekly. I've showed you monthly, so let's break it down on the weekly. time frame. So first of all, BTC is at a resistance. Okay, let me delete other stuff so that we won't have to. Yeah, first of all, BTC on a monthly time frame, on the weekly time frame now, is at a resistance. So I'm trying to send this properly. Is at a resistance. Okay, on the weekly time frame, Bitcoin is at a resistance, and when this resistance will be broken, right, or rather, when this analysis I'm about to show you will be invalid, is if Bitcoin does something like this. So let me change this arrow to green. So let's say I'm showing you what might make this analysis invalid. Okay. So let's say Bitcoin pumps from wherever it is and breaks above this red rectangular. Okay, then fine and good. This analysis has been invalidated. Okay, fine and good. This analysis has been invalidated. Somebody is asking me when will the crash start? You cannot know when the crash will start. I mean, I can only but tell you, look at what I'm speculating, look at what I'm expecting, but I don't control the volatility, right? So I'm not the one that say, you know what, everybody's selling. I'm not the one that does that. So the people that does that will do. Guys, so sorry, so sorry. Um, I just had a little bad connection, but can you guys clearly hear me now? Can you guys clearly hear me now? Sorry, guys, I had a little Yo, guys, can you hear me now? Can you hear me? I had a little challenges with my internet, but then it's okay now. Can you hear me? I need to be sure you guys are active. Let's continue. Are you active? Are you active? Guys, can you hear me? I need to be sure that we're still live. Like, I had a little bit of internet issues, so we can continue. Okay, like everything is showing, right? Everything is okay. Okay. Thank you. Like I had a glitch in internet, but I just had to quickly fix it. Okay. So sorry. Like I'm trying to like settle this stuff up. So just a second. Sound is clear, right? Okay, Carlo Chibueze said everything is okay now. So it sound clear. Is it sound clear? Screen is now showing. Sound is clear. I can hear, but I cannot see the screen. BTC BTC break 115 levels today. Now make it break now. If it break, we'll rest now, isn't it? Okay, cool. We did hear you. Okay, cool. All right, yeah. So I was saying something about invalidation, right? I said this analysis will be invalidated if Bitcoin breaks and closes above its resistance zone. And what is the resistance zone here? The resistance zone is within the levels of 115, 600 to, I don't want to call that the whole resistance zone because let me use my fibs. Let me check out something. So, anyways, this place I marked out here is called the neckline, right? So that's like a first resistance. Then we'll have a second resistance, obviously above here, right? That's the second resistance. Okay. So, if BTC, um, okay, cool. So, using, and let's, we've already tested 61 already. We've tested 61 already, right? So, but I'm trying to combine a Fibonacci and a double top pattern, right? Which will benefited from the first wave of the dump, right? But then this is BTC setup, right? Basically, a complete BTC setup for with this BTC setup, it's you enter at 61, then here. So like I said, if you check the live stream defined on I did, we have a setup like this, or the similar setup on that live stream that a lot of people got into that trade, and some are in profit already, and all. Yes, I did this stuff live with DeFi Node, right? But now using the current data we have, um, I want to enter from here right now. If you want to take this trade from this particular current market price, because I'm not going to lie, the current market price of BTC right now is still very good to take a trade from, right? Like take a BTC short, right? Having this setup in mind, having these possibilities in mind is still very good, okay? From the current setup of BTC. So, yep. And trust me, I don't think BTC is going to do much, irrespective of the fact that I told you that, yes, if we have this breakout from here, then there's some validation, right? So, this breakout has to close above this resistance, and the next one, which is this, yes, and the next one, which is this, right? BTC has to close above these two resistances. Then we then say, oh, everything has been validated. We're expecting another leg up for all-time high, right? Another leg up for all-time high. So mind you, this is BTC on a weekly time frame. Yeah, on a weekly time frame, right? So, but anyway, I don't really think that we're going to have that. I don't think so. I don't think we're going to have that. Honestly, trust me. I don't think we're going to have that breakout and closure above there. I think that BTC is going to do this. So instead of this, I think that BTC is going to the trenches. So mind you, this is not a futures entry because obviously this stop loss and this is still very very high. So yeah, so as I was saying, so what I'm showing you is like more like an expectation for, okay, look at what is about to happen and all of that, right? So that you as an investor, you can be aware and know that, oh, these are part of the expectations we're having, and these are the kind of things that might happen in the market, and it's way better for me to start taking profits and all that. I'm a preacher of taking profits. Yeah, I love to preach, take profit, take profit, take profit, because I understand the possibilities. I know that, oh yeah, everything can be looking all smooth, all pumping, and in 1 second, 2 seconds, everything has crashed. And for those of you that are experienced in this space, you already know that. You already know that. For those of you that are experienced in this space, you already know that it is very, 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 very um, crazy that pumps take slower time, then the dumps come in a twinkle of an eye, and everything has come down crashing. Right? Yeah, so just for your sake, for the sake of your portfolio, I'm always advising take profit, okay? Take profit. It doesn't hurt to take profit. So sometimes what a lot of people do is that they want to make the whole money in the market. They want to take, they want to be the one to pack, they want to tell you, oh, I sold at the top, oh, I did this at the. It doesn't really make any sense because this market is a marathon, it's not a sprint. So you can always come back, make some money and go, come back, make some money and go. Like right now, I'm telling you that, okay, look at the possibility of BTC on a weekly time frame. There's a high tendency that we're going to come down crashing. Okay, so why not just take profit from that one you have made, from the money you have made? Why not just take some profit? you know so anyways, it's all on you, it's all on you. So let us now break down these analysis down to a daily time frame. So probably we might see if we're going to take a live trade together. Okay, so let's see if we might take a live trade together. So how many of you are still active with me, please? I'm just experiencing some challenges here, and I'm going to work on it. So our next life is not going to be like this, honestly. I'm experiencing some challenges, and I can see it clearly. And bro, I don't think our next life will be like this. So are you active? I don't know, like, but then, oh yeah, okay, cool. I can see a lot of people active, active. Okay. So let's check BTC on the daily time frame, and let's see what it has for us here. So obviously, on the daily time frame, BTC is at the resistance, right? Let me delete all of this, and I think after it's BTC, we're gonna call it a wrap here because, bro, I need to like really know what is wrong with this stuff and fix it. So on the BTC, BTC at the resistance, and I'm gonna be pointing out that resistance for you all. Okay, this is gonna give us. Let me check something first. Mm-mm. So right here we're having top one, top two, top three. Like I say, right, a sell signal. So it is only but safe to short BTC from this place. Okay, it's only but safe to short it. Just take the risk and let's see if it's gonna work. If it doesn't work, we go to the village together. If it works, we say Allah the light together. So it is safe to short Bitcoin from its current market price, right? Um, Let me see something. Okay, I thought I was going to see something here, but it's not working. What I'm seeing is it's not working. No, it's not working. So, anyways, yeah. So it's only about safe to like short BTC from this place, and then let's not start dreaming of a far target. Let's just keep it at this point first from now because here's a support. So I love trading with zones. I don't like trading. I don't like trading with too much expectations in mind that oh we're gonna dump to this place zone by zone, step by step, you know. So yeah. So let's leave it at this for now. So let's say around the current market price of Bitcoin, which is about 1,100, 115,500 and something, right? So at around this price, we can just take a short trade with like let's say 10x leverage, you know, 10x leverage. If you want to risk little more, like way below 10x, you can just use 5x leverage. Then stop loss, obviously 30% stop loss. Then TP is our 107,000. So you know, let's see if we're going to win or lose. Okay. So, but then I think this setup is a good setup. Okay. So that's about it for now. I think I'll be ending this live stream here. I need to like fix some couple of stuff. Like I said, this is my first live stream that I'm doing personally on using this particular app. Normally I stream on YouTube, you know, some, but right now I need to like fix some stuff here, learn some stuff here. Then let's fucking go. So yep. So guys, please make sure you sign up on Bitinox. Bitinix, I mean to say, sign up on Bitinix using my partnership link. They are doing a lot of they have a lot of freebies. Take advantage of it. Non KYC exchange. Take advantage of it. Make some free money from it. All right, guys. Thank you for joining this live stream. Probably later today, if I fix this stuff up, yeah, we're gonna stream some more. So, anyways, thank you so much, guys. Peace out.